Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get started with Instagram application. So let's get to it. Here I have opened my Instagram application and this is the Instagram home screen. So you will see all the posts from accounts you have followed right here. And if you want to post something on Instagram, you can tap on this plus button. Then you can choose either you want to create story or post story, or you can also create an Instagram post. You can also create reel, and you can go to Instagram live by clicking on this live button. Okay, and I'm just going to go back to the Instagram home screen. Then if we want to change our profile, we can simply click on this profile button right here. Then you can edit your profile by clicking on this edit profile. You can also share your profile. Then if you want to go to Instagram setting, you can click on the button. All right, and this is the Instagram setting. You can click on setting as privacy. You can also monitor your activity. And I'm going to go back to the Instagram home screen. And this is the Instagram notification, guys. If you want to see a notification, you can tap on this button, this heart button. And then this is the Instagram notification, and you can scroll down like this. And if you want to chat someone on Instagram, you can simply click on this button. This is the Instagram direct message. You can tap on it, then you can chat with your friends right here. And if you want to follow account and you want to search for an account, you can click on the search button and you can type the name of the account right here. You can tap on the search button, then you can search. Okay, and I'm just going to go back to the Instagram home screen. And if we want to explore Reels on Instagram, we can click on this Reels button. So you can click on it, then you can scroll it like this. Okay guys, and that's how we can get started with Instagram application. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.